Welcome to Bayfield Training's Excel Tips videos. On today's video, we will learn how to use AutoSum. I heard my colleagues complaining about how boring it is to sum data in Excel, so I decided to show them how to use AutoSum. To select the tables, hold Ctrl, then click and select the data. Then press Alt equals. And voila! The data is summed up in just 2 steps. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.